Hi, my name is Darren. I'm the IoT product owner for On Key Software Solutions, which is owned by Pragma. I've been with the company for nearly 6 years now. I first started at the condition monitoring department, and I later moved over to an R&D role. So On Key has been designed and developed to integrate into other systems and collect data using RESTful APIs. So On Key Plus is built to be IoT ready, and where you can collect real-time data from any other IoT platform or any other system for that matter. But it must have the capability to actually use RESTful APIs to programmatically push that data into On Key to trigger, preventive maintenance tasks. The typical data that can be imported into On Key is your numeric or analog type of data, and this can be imported in batches, or it can be imported in events. Let's use temperature readings as an example. You can import temperature readings, let's say every 15 minutes or every hour, but you can also import it in event-based. If a specific value changes, then only send it to On Key. But On Key Plus has really nice features where you can transform or pre-process your data, your raw data, before it comes in, before it's used in your workflow, for whatever you want to do with it afterwards. If you are using a third-party application before the data is sent to On Key using RESTful APIs, you can pre-process that data in workflows before it's sent to On Key, but On Key Plus also has that capability. You can do it natively in On Key. On Key uses the concept of monitoring points and meters that serve as storage entities or data entities. And these are intelligent type of entities that allows you to automatically trigger alarms and notifications, and it can automatically create work orders. So the work orders can be predefined, to specify who this work order should be addressed to in terms of what section. You can specify what the default work order status should be, and also the type of work. So that really helps you to make your work maintenance processes quite efficient. So let's use an example. If you, in the past, you manually inserted data into On Key or any other system, so first of all, there's always the human error of taking down measurements or readings and then importing it into your system or let's call it your Excel sheet, and then someone to do analysis on it. Whereas you can use IoT technology to take out that manual task completely. So you can automatically collect that data, and you can store it into On Key automatically without any human intervention. And that data is stored forever, as On Key is also a system of records. You can analyze the data, and then you can also you can apply action to whatever that data tells you. The data that is imported into On Key should be data that is valuable in terms of actionable data. So you can't just send millisecond data to On Key, just for analytics purposes. You have to do something to that data, and that's what On Key is built for. It's an asset management tool.